essential parts of the Tangem website you should explore. Have you ever visited your favorite supermarket or grocery store only to realize they've moved everything around? Cleaning supplies used to be in one place, but now they are over there. Dairy products used to be on the left, and now they are at the back. This kind of change happens to websites too, and we have been doing some renovations and rearrangements. Today, I'll guide you through some key sections on our website to help you get the most out of your Tangem experience. First up is our beautiful, newly designed pricing page. Here you can explore our products like the Tangem card, limited editions, and the Tangem ring. Each option has a detailed page with features, setup instructions, and benefits to help you choose the best fit for your needs. Also, check out the Help Center. Here we cover the most commonly asked questions about using the Tangem wallet. If you are ever stuck, this is the perfect first stop. Plus, we've added a Tangem guide section with step-by-step articles and tutorials, making it easier to learn how to use your wallet and get the most out of all of its features. Our blog section is packed with articles and everything from crypto trends to in-depth guides on using your wallet. It is the perfect place to stay informed on new features, upcoming releases, and everything happening at Tangem. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for more.